Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. This video contains beautiful designs of 3D wallpapers. If you also want to design your wall, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains beautiful designs of custom 3D wallpapers. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains beautiful designs of wall designing ideas. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you new are my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please take care of yourself and take care of your beloved ones. Thank you so much.